Hello, today I'm going to do the unboxing of the Autodromo Prototipo Chronograph. This is the Vic Elford edition, limited edition. Just got it in the mail today. This is how it comes packaged from UPS. Get some of the Autodromo, they have sunglasses. They look really nice actually. Here are the other Autodromo Prototipo chronographs they come with. Pairs, this one has a white face with this one here with the black face. Really nice packaging. Little card here. Get a nice wrapping. Some filler. Put that aside. Looks like they have their logo here on the wrapping. Here's the box. Picture of Vic Elford there. I do believe his nickname was Quick Vic. Looks like it comes out through the side here. Looks like this is number 223 and they only made 224, so I must have got like second to the last. Put that to the side there. Has a nice leatherette package here. And looks like you have the Targa Florio logo, the Autodromo logo. And let's see here, it should just come undone. Looks like it's got a couple buckles here. Very nice felt velvet with the Autodromo logo. Here's the book for the Vic Elford edition. And let's see what should have the number in here. It is number 223. It's signed by Vic Elford. Very cool. 223 out of 224. Go through this a little bit later. Very cool. And open this back here, and I'm going to see if we can zoom in there a little bit so you can see it. Put that to the side, and here's the watch. Very nice casing. Take the watch out. And I'll just see if we can get a good look at it right there. And this is it. The unboxing of the Autodromo Prototipo Chronograph Vic Elford edition. This is number 223 out of 224. Hope you enjoyed the video.